a Roomba carrying our Yodas. All 4 Yoda bombs! Oh my god, I hate this! Oh, we're so done. We're not going to survive it. Okay, this one was dumb. I was so smart though. And it doesn't do that to us. Okay, this is turning into a success. Oh no, oh no. Hey, get out of the way. A Yoda success world.